What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Dr. Zoidberg from Futurama. For today's lesson I'll be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker. I have some plain white paper and some markers to color with. Let's begin at the very top of our page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. I'm going to start from the very top in the middle, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add a small black dot in the center of each eye for the pupils. Now from the inside of the right eye, we're going to work our way down towards the mouth. So let's bend this down and across, and then bend that down towards the bottom. Let's round up the bottom, pull this back up. I just want to give a slight bend going up and then in. Now I want to add three more going across towards the left. So let's start from the bottom, going down and up, bend this up and in. Let's add another one, going down, up, across and in. Now let's add one more, going down. I'm just going to pull this all the way up towards the top and then round out the mouth. Let's bring the mouth coming down, go across towards the right, then it's up and then in underneath. Let's place the tongue along the bottom, starting on the left, going up and then down. And I want to create a fold, going up and then back down. And then we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. From the outside corner of the mouth, we want to step out and curve the lip, going out and then across the bottom. Let's go on top of the right eye on the outside. We're going to draw the brow. We're going to bend this out and then in. And we'll go underneath the eye, bend the face, going out and then down towards the chin. Let's round up the neck, coming down and bend this up on the left side. Let's work our way around the outside of the head. We'll start by going straight up, and we'll bend this out on the top. Let's round up the head, come in, and we'll bring that down on top of the brow. Let's add a fold underneath the eyes. From the base of the head, let's draw two short angled lines coming down and out, and we'll curve the body, coming down towards the bottom of the chest, and then we'll add another curve, going out and then down. Let's close off the bottom with a curve, starting on the left, coming down, and then up. Let's go back up to the top and draw in the collar. We're going to start from the top left, bend this across toward the left side, right about there, and we'll pull this straight down towards the bottom. Let's go up to the top left. Just going to tuck this in, coming in towards the middle. Let's add a curve across the top for the collar, and then in the center, draw a straight line. Now on the left side, we're going to draw three buttons, starting on the top with one circle. Let's go to the bottom and add another one, and then we'll add one more in between. Let's add a pocket on the side of the body. So start with a straight line coming in, and then from here, bend this down and then out towards the side of the body. In the middle, let's step down, draw a straight line going across. And we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the pant going out and then down, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the pant, coming down and then up. Now from the hip, we want to step in, curve the outside leg, coming down and then in toward the bottom of the pant. From the inside corner of the pant, let's step out, bend the leg going out and down towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, bend this down and up. And then curve the toe, going up and in. Let's layer the second toe in behind. So along the top, then it's out and up, then it's up and then in toward the outside of the leg, and then pull that up underneath the pant. Now I want to tuck the sandal in underneath the feet. Let's start from this point, and curve this around, come underneath the foot, and just tuck that in towards the heel. And then we're going to add a strap on top of each toe. Let's start from the outside, bend this in and then down, step up and draw that again. Let's do the same thing on top of the front toe. Now we're going to go back up to the shoulders and draw on the arms. Let's start from this point, then the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll curve the cuff, coming down and in towards the side of the body. Now from here, we're going to draw the outside of the claw. Let's start from the left, then it's around, and then in towards the bottom. From the bottom, we're going to draw a wave going up towards the hand to right about there. And then halfway along this wave, bend this in and then down, and curve that in behind the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Dr. Zoidberg from Futurama. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on the art supplies, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.